Hello everyone and welcome to our channel once again. Today I will ask you a question. Do you need to prepare a CV to apply for a job, but you are not sure how to create it so it stands out from others and helps you get the job you want? Then you are in the right place. I have many years of experience in helping people in different countries to prepare an effective CV or curriculum vitae, or resume in American English, and also how to have a successful interview. At the end of this video, you will see a link to my video where I show you how to prepare for an interview. Now, let us begin with the CV, curriculum vitae or resume. From now on, I will call it CV. Per se, as you can see in this copy of my CV, it looks very simple and easy to prepare. However, I will teach you some new and very important aspects of the CV that you may have never heard before. For example, in most countries outside of South America, particularly the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, that is England, Ireland, and some parts of Europe, CVs with your photo are not acceptable because in those countries it is important what job experience, education, and skills you have, not how you look. In fact, in some countries, this can be deemed unprofessional and even against labor laws. But there is more that you should not include in your CV, which also could lead to discrimination. These are race or ethnicity, age or birth date, gender, religion, weight, physical disability, and other sensitive personal details. An exception to this rule would be if you are applying for a job, position as a model or actor or actress, musician, TV broadcaster, master of ceremonies, reporter, flight attendant, or a high-end sales representative. That would be an exception. In these cases, I recommend that you have your photo taken by a reputable professional photographer. The total length of your CV should be 1 page, because according to studies, due to a high volume of job candidates, recruiters and employers only spend an average of less than 1 minute reviewing a CV or resume. That means they would expect to see key information about you that is related to the job opening. If you have had many job positions, mention the most recent 5 jobs only. At the top of your CV, state your full name without titles such as Mr., Mrs., or Doctor, or whatever. Next, in 2 or 3 lines, write your objectives for the new job. This is of a high importance to show what in summary you have to offer to the company and its customers. In my case, as a teacher and a consultant, I wrote under objectives to help persons become equipped with working knowledge in areas of communication, business, and computer science in order to fulfill their potential and become successful in the modern world. Then you start making a list of your working experience. starting with the last one first. In the first column on the left, you write an approximate month and year when you started the job, and a month and year when you finished. If you are still working there, write the starting month and year and then present. In the second column, write your job position title on the first line, name of a company, institute, or organization on the second line, and on the same line in the third column, write the name of the city and country where the company or organization is located. On the next line below, write responsibilities, and next to it, summarize your activities the best you can. Do the same for all of your job positions. Maximum the last 5 jobs. In the next part, list your education, names of universities or institutes, their locations, courses or subjects studied, and the month and year you started, as well as the month and year you finished the studies. Below that, write the names of diplomas or certificates you have received. After the part of education, write the languages you speak with a corresponding level. Next to your native language, just write native. Next to others, write, for example, A1, which stands for beginner, A2, pre-intermediate, B1, intermediate, B2, upper intermediate, C1, advanced, and C2, advanced equal to a native. In the last part, list all your skills, particularly computer-related skills. At the bottom of your CV, write, references will be furnished upon request. In other words, in a separate document when they ask for them. Before you submit references, make sure you contact the persons and ask them for permission to use them as references for your new job, and negotiate with them to say good things about you. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to write them below this video. Also, please press on like if you really enjoyed this video, and also please subscribe to our channel to see our other videos that are very informative and educational.